Today we are going to configure our webmail email in Gmail. It will enable us to send and receive email directly from. First, you need to log inside your Gmail and click on the settings icon. Now click on see all settings and go inside accounts and import tab. Here we will click on add a mail account. Now we need to enter our email ID and click on next. Again we will click on next. Now we are going to add our. Here we need to enter our email ID, the complete email ID, and then we need to enter our password. Now we will enter our POP server detail and select the port to 995. Please check these two boxes, connection and label incoming message and click on add account. Yes, I want to be able to send email. Click next. We need Now we will write our name here and we will uncheck treat as an alert and click next. Now we will enter our SMTP server. Username will be our complete email ID and we need to enter our password. Port will be by default 587 and we will check and we have to check TLS. Click on add account. For Google will send an email for verification. So we are going to close this window. Now go to the inbox and wait for. You might have to wait. Google will send an email. Click on that email and click on the confirm link. There, confirm again. Now we will go back to our Gmail and click on the setting icon. We will go in see all settings and open the tab account and there we will make our email ID default. Now our newly added email ID is default. Now we will open Compose. As you can see, my newly added email ID is here. Means I can send email using this email. Thank you for your time.